Let's now talk about stages in software product testing. Software products need their own unique approach to test adequately and correctly. Oftentimes, teams treat them as another software, and that is the starting point of trouble. Software product testing need a custom test style and strategy to add value. Software product development and sustenance is in itself a complex ecosystem, and to thrive, testers need to adapt. Having said that, now let's see how to test at each stage. Stage 1, the product introduction stage. A good test strategy at this point should include the following. Number 1, test that validate the short-term goals of TrackFast. Secondly, test for ease of installation, setup and getting up to speed. Thirdly, test for performance, security and usability. Number 4, test that compare TrackFast with the competition platform, browser and device compatibility test. And finally, integration tests. For stage 2, this is about product growth, and the test here should include the following. Number 1, keeping usability and site design central to your testing, because the more features we add, the cleaner the site should look. Secondly, carrying out performance and security testing when a major release has happened. Thirdly, keeping in touch with the competition and knowing the product vision. In stage 2, there is also adapting peer testing for immediate feedback and fixing, planning for changes and known issues, and trying to get your hands on the customer feedback and checking if they can be tracked as enhancement suggestions to keep up the growth in constants. For stage 3, which is about product maturity, the features don't change as often, and thus the product team is focused more on bringing more business. Therefore, the testing team can work on maturing your test strategy, consider customer feedback, and test performance and security periodically. At this stage, they can also focus on finer details, finding the smallest of the problems that can improve the quality of the system. They can also take into account the new devices, platforms, and browsers that might have come into the market from the last time you made a test. And they can also test user manuals and FAQ pages. Product testers must have a keen business sense, understanding of fast delivery development models, and should also be ace testers who are not afraid to experiment with tools and become a bit of coder themselves if need be.